Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, today's video is in partnership with Gorgius Hair. If you have been on my Instagram, you have been seeing me rock this hair for the past couple days and I'm in love, and I promised you guys that I was going to give you the details and everything that you needed to know about this hair. So if you're interested and you want to know more about this wig that I've been rocking lately, then just keep on watching. So just some specs on the wig. The name of it is the Bouncy Shaggy Bang Wig. This is in 14 inches and it comes like right above my collarbone. It's the perfect length. It's in the natural color. It's like probably, I would say this is a 1B, but on the website it says natural color. The price is $169, but I do have a coupon code for you guys. I hooked you guys up. I got you a 17% off coupon code, which is Irene17, which takes off like, I don't know, almost $30 or so. The wig came in this pretty holographic box. I think it's really cute. Came in this silk satin baggie, and I love how wig companies always give you a couple goodies in the bag. So it came with a wig cap. This particular wig cap comes with 2 in the package, and it also came with this cute little bag that will come in handy, I'm sure. And inside of it, it has an edge brush and a strap just in case, you know, the one that it comes with comes off or something like that, I guess. And bobby pins, always need those. 2 duckbill clips and tweezers. So a lot of useful stuff it actually came with, so I definitely appreciate that. The hair itself straight out the box was beautiful. I was really impressed. It's so lightweight. The curls are from the root to the end, like every single section has curls, like, and it's shaped perfectly. I don't know who cut this hair, but I love the shape of it. There's layers in it, as you can see. Like the top layer is a little bit shorter and it kind of gradually gets a little longer. Lots of volume, very lightweight, bouncy. I'm hardly experiencing any shedding whatsoever. I wore it in Texas, and you know Texas is really hot, and I was like really worried that I would be too hot and bothered with this wig on my head, but it's so lightweight that I didn't feel like it was trapping as much heat as I would normally experience with a wig. Has a really good density. Even though it's lightweight, I feel like it's just the perfect amount of hair. There's a lot of body, a lot of movement. So the quality is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Like, I have no complaints. I wouldn't have made this wig any different. I think it looks really cute. The hair is 100% natural, so it's not synthetic. Just quality hair, and I love that. As far as styling is concerned, this requires 0 effort. If you're like me and you cannot be bothered with like gluing wigs down, trimming lace and all that extra stuff, like I don't have time for that. I don't know how to do that well. So when I saw that this had a bang and that I could just plop it right on and go, I was sold. I was like, yes, this is exactly what I need. This is exactly the type of wig that I personally would go for because it's 0 effort. It's really quick to put on and off. I will show you guys. And it's not tight on my head, so I know that my edges are going to be protected. This is also good for if you're rocking a protective style. I have mini twists underneath this wig right now. So I really appreciate how this wig allows me to protect my hair and not manipulate my natural hair too much, and I could just plop this on and go. As far as styling is concerned, I like big, voluminous, volumized hair, but you can definitely rock like the wet look. I personally think the bigger the better, so I don't mind a little bit of frizz, but if I want to freshen up the hair a little bit, I literally just use a spray bottle, spray like a frizzier section. No products are really needed in my opinion, and I just twirl it around my finger just to get the curls bouncing right back, and that's pretty much all I do. Like I said, I love big volumized hair, but if you want the wet look, you just can spray more water in it, add a little bit of mousse, and you'll be good to go. It just totally depends on your preference, but give me the big hair. I would definitely recommend it for experienced wig wearers and inexperienced people because it's so easy to put on your head and take off. I will show you right now. So This is the wig cap that it came with. And there's a band here. It comes with adjustable straps in the back, but I have a bigger head, so I don't even need to tighten this or loosen it or anything like that. It's just fine the way it is for me. There's one comb in the back, and there are 2 combs on the side. Right here and right here. Honestly, I don't even use the combs, and I feel secure. Like, my wig is literally not gonna go anywhere. I don't even use the comb. The band right here, I place it on just like this. I take this band, slip it over my head just like that, and I pull the wig up and over my head. Adjust it to your liking, shake, and literally go. Girl, it can't get no easier than that. It's so simple and easy to put on. Like I said, I'm not even using the combs that it came with, but if you feel like you need a little extra security, use the combs. I feel like that band is good enough. Like, my wig is literally, it's not going anywhere, trust me. Like, it's good. I just wanted to come closer so you can see what the curls look like. Like I said, if the curls get frizzy, they're so easy to bounce back. All it just needs is a little bit of water. But curls are really cute. Really, really cute. If you are someone that's really busy, or you're like a lazy girl and you don't want to be bothered with your hair, I totally understand it. This wig is super quick to put on and go. I always recommend that you keep your natural hair protected and don't neglect your natural hair. But if you want to break from it, this is so cute, especially for the summertime. I think this is such a cute style. I'll honestly be rocking this year round, no matter the season. But since it is summertime, I would definitely think that this could be worn in the summer heat because it's lightweight, it's breathable. I have no complaints. I'm very happy with this wig. Like I said, if you are interested in it yourself, I do have a coupon code. I will leave it on the screen and in the description bar just for you. It's Irene17. You get 17% off. And also, thank you so much to Gorgius for sending me this hair and sponsoring this video. I definitely appreciate it. I love this hair. It's definitely giving. So if you guys enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any specific questions for me, just leave them in the comment section. I will be sure to answer them. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!